She runs every morning. She runs every morning. They play soccer on weekends. They play soccer on weekends. He drinks water after exercise. He drinks water after exercise. We eat dinner at 7 p.m. We eat dinner at 7 p.m. She writes emails every day. She writes emails every day. The cat jumps on the table. The cat jumps on the table. He drives to work. He drives to work. They sing songs together. They sing songs together. I walk to school. I walk to school. She cooks delicious food. She cooks delicious food. He dances at parties. He dances at parties. We watch movies on Fridays. We watch movies on Fridays. She studies English every evening. She studies English every evening. He cleans his room every Saturday. He cleans his room every Saturday. The baby cries loudly. The baby cries loudly. I listen to music. I listen to music. She paints beautiful pictures. She paints beautiful pictures. They build a house. They build a house. We talk to our friends. We talk to our friends. He swims in the pool. He swims in the pool. She teaches math. She teaches math. They ride bikes in the park. They ride bikes in the park. I fix my computer. I fix my computer. She cuts vegetables for salad. She cuts vegetables for salad. He opens the window. He opens the window. We close the door. We close the door. They run fast in the race. They run fast in the race. I watch TV every night. I watch TV every night. She drinks coffee in the morning. She drinks coffee in the morning. He buys a new phone. He buys a new phone. They sell fruits in the market. They sell fruits in the market. We make a cake for the party. We make a cake for the party. She reads a book at the library. She reads a book at the library. He writes in his notebook. He writes in his notebook. They drive to the beach. They drive to the beach. We fly to another country. We fly to another country. I study for my exam. I study for my exam. She brushes her teeth. She brushes her teeth. He washes the car. He washes the car. They draw pictures on the paper. They draw pictures on the paper. We play basketball. We play basketball. I take a photo. I take a photo. She sings in the choir. She sings in the choir. He fixes his bike. He fixes his bike. They plant trees in the garden. They plant trees in the garden. We clean the kitchen. We clean the kitchen. I cook pasta for dinner. I cook pasta for dinner. She talks on the phone. She talks on the phone. He climbs the mountain. He climbs the mountain. They catch fish in the river. They catch fish in the river. We laugh at the joke. We laugh at the joke. I run in the park every day. I run in the park every day. She jumps over the fence. She jumps over the fence. He throws the ball to his friend. He throws the ball to his friend. They play the piano beautifully. They play the piano beautifully. We travel to different cities. We travel to different cities. I build a model car. I build a model car. She wears a red dress. She wears a red dress. He drinks tea with sugar. He drinks tea with sugar. They speak English fluently. They speak English fluently. We write letters to our family. We write letters to our family. I drive a fast car. I drive a fast car. She paints her room blue. She paints her room blue. He eats a sandwich for lunch. He eats a sandwich for lunch. They watch the news on TV. They watch the news on TV. We study in the library. We study in the library. I read the newspaper. I read the newspaper. She cleans the house every day. She cleans the house every day. He opens his book to study. He opens his book to study. They run on the treadmill. They run on the treadmill. We sing Christmas songs. We sing Christmas songs. I buy groceries at the store. I buy groceries at the store. She draws a picture of a flower. She draws a picture of a flower. He fixes the broken chair. He fixes the broken chair. They cook dinner for their parents. They cook dinner for their parents. We dance to the music. We dance to the music. I play the guitar in a band. I play the guitar in a band. She writes a poem. She writes a poem. He throws the ball high. He throws the ball high. They wash the dishes after dinner. They wash the dishes after dinner. We walk the dog in the evening. We walk the dog in the evening. I cut my hair short. I cut my hair short. She teaches her little brother to read. She teaches her little brother to read. He closes the door when he leaves. He closes the door when he leaves. They drive to the countryside. They drive to the countryside. We build a sandcastle on the beach. We build a sandcastle on the beach. I swim in the ocean. I swim in the ocean. She eats an apple every day. She eats an apple every day. He paints a picture of the sunset. He paints a picture of the sunset. They buy a new house. They buy a new house. We run a marathon. We run a marathon. I listen to the radio. I listen to the radio. She takes a shower every morning. She takes a shower every morning. He climbs a tall tree. He climbs a tall tree. We play tennis at the weekend. We play tennis at the weekend. I watch a movie with my friends. I watch a movie with my friends. She makes a salad for lunch. She makes a salad for lunch. He fixes his old computer. He fixes his old computer. Thank you for watching our video. Keep practicing English every day and you will see great improvements. Remember, every small step you take brings you closer to mastering the language. Happy learning!